everyone, I have received some happy mail this morning and I'm very excited, and I sort of started opening it and I thought I would do it on camera. Now I know who it's from because it says on the front of the envelope. I'm going to try and open it carefully so that we can't see who it's from in a minute, because they won't want their address being revealed on camera. But here is the getting all caught up in my cable. Here is the box. I need to fold it back a minute. Oh, hit the tripod. Look at that. Isn't that exciting? I'm so excited about this selection of gifts. And now she has packed this up herself for me. So it hasn't come from directly from a shop, which is nice. There is a letter in it. I'm going to read that later. I won't read that out to you because it could be very personal. And here we have lots of goodies. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So we have, oops, what's in here? Ooh, let's have a look. I have a feeling I know what this is, but we'll see. Ooh, this is, oh, it's not what I thought. This is a Gellyroll, Sakura Gellyroll. It just says Japan. It's white. I don't know if it's the white one. I don't know. Because look, it's got a little shooting star on there. So I'm wondering, hang on. I can't tell. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that, look at that. Shiny. Wow, look how glittery that is. That's gorgeous. And that's exciting on its own. And there's more. Look at that. This is a set of the Cause Pastel pencil. Now I've got the lovely 12 set. 24. Look at all those colours. They're gorgeous. I shall certainly do a video using these to show you all the colours. I love that green. Look at those oranges. Right, sorry. Ooh, look at this. Escape to Wonderland, a colouring book adventure. Oh, they're nice. Lovely. I should do a proper flip through of this. Now, I'm not a huge Alice in Wonderland fan in that I've read the books, but I wouldn't watch the films and things like that, and I'm not massively keen on some of the illustrators, but these illustrations are really lovely, very pretty, and I love mushrooms and botanicals, and there's loads, so I think I'm going to love that. Wow. Okay, I should do a proper flip through. Oh, what have we got here? Sorry, distracted already. A brick wall stencil. Wow, how useful. I have got a picture that I want to do a brick wall background for, and I do know how to do brick walls from scratch with pencils and rulers and things, and I've got a video actually showing you how to do that, but this will make it a lot easier, and I can still use a lot of technique on the bricks. Very useful. Lovely. I shall be using that. Look at this. Elephants. I love elephants. Someone knows, obviously, that I love elephants. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, wow. Oh, that's look. Oh. Well, I will do a proper flip through of that book as well. That looks adorable. So there we go. That's so exciting. I know that's quite a short video actually. Maybe I should do the a flip through as well. Let's let me stop the video, clear up a little bit. Stop my camera being so squiffy. I don't know why it is, and I'll come back to you. Right, I am back. I have tidied up my things. I've laid them out so you can see them again. So the lovely pencils, stencil, beautiful pen, and the two books. What I thought I would do is I do a flip through the elephant book because I just can't wait to see it in this video, and then I'll make a separate one for the Alice book, because I think because that's double-sided, I think it's going to take a bit longer. So here we go. Now, I read the letter that came with the gifts as well while I was sort of off air. I forgot to straighten my camera. There, I think that's better. Off air, I sound like some sort of radio show. She remembered that I love elephants, which is why she bought me this book, which is so thoughtful. So here we go. Let's have a look. So she said that the paper is quite thin, and it is a little. It's not. It's, for me, feeling that just with my fingers, I would say at least it's at least twice as thick as a copy paper. So I think it'll be good, and they're single-sided, so I think that'll be fine. So this is Marjorie Sarnat. I've never heard of her, never seen this book before, but let me see what it says. The Art of Marjorie Sarnat, Elegant Elephants Adult Colouring Book. And that's just the copyright. So we get right started with these little elephant family. I like the way they're decorated because you haven't just got a plain elephant, you've got all these little details which makes them really fun to colour, because I think colouring big blocks of grey, as adorable as elephants are, can be a bit daunting, and I think having them broken up with colour, and you can make them look really pretty. So that's a fun one. We've got a sort of frame on this one. Ooh, next one. Oh, there we have. Look at these guys, they're funny. Oh, let's push it up a bit. So we've got another leafy type frame, and we've got our elephant spraying water. That's such fun. And look at the little bird. Oh, how cute are those? Not as cute as the elephant. Look at them. Oh, it's lush. And this, we have sort of more leafy florals. I like all these botanicals. We have the sunshine there, so that's a bit different. That'll be fun. And look at those two, adorable pair. And we have a sort of palm trees and things going on. We have more in the background, look, it's quite fun. I like their sort of cartoony style, although it can be really good fun to colour things that look really realistic. Sometimes it's nice to have something a little bit less so. And also because we've got elephants throughout, if they were all realistic, it would be all a bit too much the same. Lots, as I say, lots of blocks of grey. So I think this will be fun. We've got all these colours, so can, you know, some of them can not have any grey on at all. It's just completely, you know, up to you really. So I think that's good. We've got some flamingos in this one. See, this one looks a little less decorative, this bit is, but we've got all these lines, so we can do stripe or do different greys and things like that, so that's interesting, I think. Beautiful eyes, look. Gorgeous. Oh, this one says forget-me-not. Look, we've got a gorgeous basket. So of course they could be forget-me-nots, but we could do them any colour. We've got some other lovely florals, little birds too. Did you have that bird in an earlier picture? Maybe. Doesn't matter. So here we have our parent and baby. I guess it's a mummy because the dads don't hang around for long. Well, we've got some other animals here, but these sorts of decorative, I don't know if they're buildings or what. That's a bit of fun. Something a bit different. It almost looks like they're going along a road and these are buildings, but there's animals. It's quite an interesting picture, I think. Really different. Oh, we have a fairy elephant. Look at the wings. Well, I know what pen I can use to make those wings sparkle. So that's fun. And a lovely wand and lots of florals as well. Very decorative. Pretty eyes again. So some of them look like females, they've got like eyelashes. This one hasn't. It looks more majestic, more, I think, a male elephant, I would say. And we've got very decorative ears and things going on. And it looks almost Egyptian in style, I would say. Sort of ancient Egyptian. That's a lot of fun. Oh, look at the heart. Very Valentine's-y, lovey-dovey. I like it. Very nice. Oh, look at this one. It's got a top hat, steampunky style elephant. That's fun. Can use some metallic pens, pencils, or you know, just try and have a go at making metallic combos with normal pencils. Brilliant. Like that. Now we have a more jungly one, but we have so we have trees and things. But we have some flowers and leaves as well. So there's a lot of different things to colour, different colours to use as well. That's fun. Ooh, we have giraffes. They're cute, aren't they? And they've got some florals on as well. I haven't coloured a giraffe ever before. I've done parrots, so that'll be fun. There's one in the ink house I used to actually. Oh, this one's cute. I can't quite work out. I think it's just sort of insect. Got one of those sort of Chinese cats, which are fun. A ladybird and birds again. So it's more of a sort of random. We've got different signs and things. So it's quite fun, keys and different bits and bobs. That's interesting. Oh, we have an artist elephant. Look at his hat. So cute. And this painty ear. That's how I paint. Splodge, 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 make a big mess. That's fun. And here we have a sort of Indian type style. I shall have to find out exactly what that is. There's a name, but I can't. It's beyond my knowledge. But very sweet looking, very different. Again, I'm thinking lots of gold, perhaps. Not sure. Oh, a sewing elephant. Look at that old Singer sewing machine. What fun. Next made this long blanket. That's how cute. It's like a pincushion or a patchwork elephant. I think that's lovely. Such fun. I think lots of pastel colours. Nice. Well, I've got the pastel colours, haven't I, to go with them. Oh, this one is like a piece of furniture next to the sofa and having a drink. How sweet. More elegant, styly elephant. Ah, white elephant sail. I don't know if everyone knows what that means. It's I think it's a little old-fashioned. I think my children would know. It just means like a random stuff, bric-a-brac, perhaps, maybe. So there he is. So he's going to be white? I don't know. We'll see, won't we? Because we've got all sorts of exciting things, teapots and watering cans and all sorts of fun things to colour there. Oh, we have a little family here, look. And it looks to me, I think that's water, but then it goes at the top as well, so I'm not sure. And lots of pretty florals. And a sort of, it looks like peacock feathers, do you think, behind? Very pretty. Oops. We have a swan and a frog. I like this one. I like colouring water and lilies and things, so that would be really nice to colour. We've got the sun at the top. Sorry, I'm blowing my nose. My nose is running. My son's got a cold. I hope I'm not catching it. I'm taking my vitamin D, hoping it'll scare it away. I think if you weigh vitamin D at a cold, it frightens it. So we'll see. And we have our fun little monkeys there. Look at them in the basket. That's a fun one to colour. I'm thinking, is this bamboo? Not sure. Who knows? Ooh, a king, queen, king. I'm thinking male. We've got no eyelashes. Very elegant. Look at that. Reminds me, the Queen was in church yesterday. I was watching her a little bit, just seeing how she looked. Oh, little old Queenie. There you go. So here we have a map. Well, it's a globe, isn't it? Look, with the African elephants and Indian. Is that India? I thought India. Oh gosh, I am terrible. My son's despair at my poor geography. But I like the sort of solar planets and things going on and stars. It's really interesting. Clouds. Interesting. It gets me thinking. I get ideas right away and I want to start colouring every picture, but you know, slow down a bit. Oh, so we have castles in this one. They're like acrobats. The top one's got a crown, look. How interesting. Castles. Oops. Now, oh, he's playing a sitar, I think. I'm guessing that's what that is. And looking very, very peace and hippie-ish. I think that's great fun. Oh, look. So we have like a little carrying seat of some description on the top. Not sure what we would call that. So that's interesting. And the bell. That's fun. What do we have going on here? It's almost an elephant mandala, isn't it? They're all in a circle. We have the crowned ones and all sorts going on. That's a really interesting, a lot of fun. This one, it's going, I'm not sure. I was going to say through the water, but now I'm not sure. I think just lots of florals and things. That's fun. I like the style this is drawn in. It looks reasonably simplistic, so it's not scary, but there's enough detail to make there not too big a space to colour in, but there's enough area for you to do some shading and techniques if you want to. So I think that's really good. I'm really pleased. Oh, so cute. Having a little huggle. Oh, I was hugging with my boys this morning. We all had a quick kitchen cuddle. It was supposed to be, well, my one son had already got up, the other one came and joined us, and I gave him a quick hug first thing in the morning, and his brother came and joined in because he's like a jealous puppy. He always, if two people are hugging, he has to join in and get a cuddle as well. But this morning his motives were not quite, he had freezing cold hands, so he was rubbing them on our backs as he was taking advantage of us. Such a naughty puppy. He's not a puppy really, he is a boy. Dolphins. Look, it looks like the elephant's doing a dolphin impression. I like that. We've got the waves at the top. Hokusai, I think it is. Those sort of waves. That's fun. And we have all the fish and things. My husband's a big fan. Oh, and here we have about the author. There she is. It says she loves patterns. She was a textile designer. How interesting. And she collects vintage illustrated books and likes nostalgia. And she's designed lots of different things, and she's made creative cats colouring book. I have a feeling my mum had that one, I'm not sure, and other books. So there we go. And she was born and raised in Chicago and lives in Southern California. There we go. And she's got an email list, oh, with free colouring pages and websites and blogs and all sorts of things. So I should have a look at that. So I've got a few more pages. I don't know what's going on. Oh, other books by her. Got some little bonus pictures to colour at the back. Look, oh, we've got a blank one. That's quite handy for testing, and a couple test your pens and pencils and things on the paper. And there's an example of a coloured one. Look how bright. I'd said that could be done in greys, but look at it. That looks amazing. So there we go. I'm really pleased with that. So thank you, lovely lady, for sending me that. You know who you are, and that's brilliant. And the other book, as I say, I should do a flip through video on another day. Or else it'll be too long, but that's gorgeous. Lovely elephants. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and happy colouring.